Network instability is a common cause of Zoom crashes and disconnections. A shaky internet connection can interrupt video calls and meetings, leading to frustrating freezes or dropped connections. To identify and resolve connection problems, start by checking your Wi-Fi signal strength. Look for strong signal bars on your device, or run an internet speed test to ensure you're getting adequate bandwidth for video calls. Next, try restarting your router. Simply unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary network glitches and restores a stable connection. For maximum stability, consider using a wired Ethernet connection. Connect your computer directly to the router with an Ethernet cable to bypass wireless interference and ensure a consistent, high-speed connection. Following these steps can significantly improve your internet connection stability and help prevent Zoom crashes caused by network issues. A stable connection is essential for smooth video conferencing. Reinstalling Zoom is often the last resort when other troubleshooting steps haven't resolved persistent crashing issues. This process removes any corrupted files and provides a completely fresh installation of the application. First, uninstall the current Zoom application from your computer. On Windows, use the Settings app or Control panel. On Mac, drag Zoom to the trash from applications. Next, download the latest version of Zoom from the official website at zoom.us/download. Choose the correct version for your operating system. Finally, run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen setup instructions to complete the installation. This should give you a clean, working version of Zoom. After reinstalling, test Zoom with a short meeting to ensure the issues are resolved. If problems persist, consider contacting Zoom support for further assistance. Hardware acceleration in Zoom uses your graphics processor to handle video tasks, which can sometimes cause crashes due to driver issues or hardware limitations. Turning it off forces Zoom to use software processing instead, which is more stable but may slightly reduce performance. To turn off hardware acceleration, open Zoom Settings. You can find this option in the Video section of the Settings menu. Click the toggle to turn hardware acceleration off. The setting will be saved automatically. Restart Zoom for the changes to take effect. This simple step can resolve many crash issues related to graphics processing. Proactive maintenance is essential for Zoom stability. By regularly updating your software, including Zoom, operating system, and device drivers, you ensure compatibility and fix known bugs. Clearing the Zoom cache periodically removes temporary files that can cause performance issues. Disabling unnecessary background applications frees up system resources. Monitoring resources and adjusting hardware acceleration prevents overload. Finally, running Zoom's diagnostic tools helps identify potential problems early.